Hello everyone, welcome back to Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'll show you on how you can connect MetaTrader 5 with OANDA. So the first thing that we want to do is to make sure that the application is downloaded into our computer or mobile devices. Basically, you can just search for MetaTrader 5 on your browser and you will then be taken to the search results right here. And then you want to head over to the official website, which is metatrader5.com. Click on download MetaTrader 5 for Windows or for any other systems that you are using right here. And right after that, we have successfully downloaded MetaTrader 5. So from here, it is extremely simple. Just click on the file icon, click on open an account, and inside you then want to simply search for OANDA. In here, we have different OANDA servers. So we have the Canada, Asia Pacific, Australia, Corporation, and more. You can simply go ahead and select the right server that you are using. In my case, since I'm living on Asia, we have the Asia server right here. Just click on the next button. Click on connect with an existing trade account, and then you want to log in the credentials of your OANDA account from your own dashboard. So we have login, the password, and then we have the server of that specific account. Now you can get your credentials from the OANDA dashboard itself, so you want to head over there, paste it onto the MetaTrader 5, and then you should be good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.